So today I'm going to teach you guys how to set up a hookah. My last video, it was on like the hookah series. I don't know what I'm going to call this new series that I'm doing. If you guys are new to my page, me and Mom are branching out. We're doing mobile hookah. And I'm going to do another video in detail on how we started it, how the ins and outs and all that. So this is the hookah we're going to set up today. I bought 3 of these. So I'm like, I might as well do it on camera. So this is how it looks when you get it out from the box. I mean, when you buy it. So I'm going to just, actually let me lower the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's do that. Okay, I have like 3. I told you guys I just, oh shit, let me fix this. I told you guys I have 3 of these. So in the last video that I uploaded, it was more so for what you need to start a hookah business, a hookah traveling business. I don't know the name of it, but I love that it comes with a carrying case. So cute. Let me move. You can't really see anything, but I'm gonna bear with me. So when you open it, it comes with tips. All these pieces. It comes with instructions. Now, I already set up this hookah, so I feel like I'm an expert on it. So I'm just gonna put all the pieces that it comes with out. I'm just showing you guys what everything is. Now this is the big body. This is how it looks. This is the light. And the remote control. I wonder if you need batteries now. Yeah, you put batteries in. I need to buy some batteries. Okay. Alright, let's start. Oh wait, I didn't even show you guys everything that you need. This is the plate. Alright. Okay. So the first thing is we're gonna pull out this little tubey thing. I don't know any of the names. Tubey thing, that's what we're gonna call it. I'm gonna screw it. Screw it tight, and we're gonna unscrew the top part. This is for the plate. Okay. Make sure it's good on here. This is the plate. Put it on top. And then I don't want this to move, so I'll make sure it's tight. This is the bowl that comes with. This is silicone. I heard people say that the ceramic is better, but for right now we're gonna use the ceramic that the silicone that this came with. So I'm just gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna stick it on top. Okay. Whoa. And this is where the shisha goes inside. Shisha goes in there. I like that this come with this. This came with this. So basically this is for the coal you put on top. Now this one didn't come with the first hookah right here. This didn't come with one. I wonder why is that. So this is, so it'll be like this. What's this for? We'll put that on there for right now. And this is the hose that it came with. Ouch! What was that? Oh, that hurt. The whole thing, the hose fell. Okay. So this goes at the end of the, this way. Okay, making sure that's in. And then this goes on this part. And then you stick it in here. And that's it. It's easy, right? So this is all done. This is kind of cute. So that is it on how to set up the hookah. And the lights that it came with, it goes under here, the light stand. I'm gonna do another video. It's gonna be under this series of hookah business. Yeah, that's I'm still trying to figure out the name still. But under this series of whatever I'm gonna call it, I'm going to put all the tutorials on how to set it up. Meaning how much put water to put in here, how to pack it with the shisha, and all the different flavors and all that. And then of course I'll vlog everything, so you guys can see that our first event, everything's gonna be vlogged. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, lifestyle. It's a lot in one, but everything goes hand in hand. And of course I vlog everything. My whole life is online. So yeah, I'm excited. I cannot wait to use this.